Hey y'all, so today I made artichoke Lebanese style for the first time. What you're going to want to do is make the rice first. So you saute the shawdi and add the rice and let that sit on the side. And then I cut the potatoes in the same shape as the artichoke hearts, and then you're going to want to fry them. You don't have to get them like super crispy, it's just you can lightly fry them. And then you're going to set them in the pan, however you're going to lay it out. You can add the tomato sauce afterwards or before. I totally forgot to show that part in that step, but it's okay, you'll see the end product. And then you're going to want to saute the pine nuts. Just be careful because they saute really quickly. Make sure that they don't burn. You're going to add in the meat and salt and the 7 seasonings. We call it Sadaf. And then you're gonna layer the meat on top of the artichoke and potatoes, and you're gonna top it with, you can top it with more sabal, the seasoning, and salt if you'd like. Also, make sure to top it with dibs min, which is pomegranate syrup. And you just bake it, and then that's it.